Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a journey that will redefine your approach to digital marketing. Today, we dive into the world of Facebook marketing. Are you ready to tap into a user base of over 2.8 monthly active users? Facebook isn't just a social network, it's a dynamic marketing ecosystem. In this course, we are diving deep into the strategy, techniques, and secrets used by most marketers on the planet. Whether you're a business owner looking to skyrocket your brand, a marketer aiming to expand your skills, or an entrepreneur looking to dominate the online landscape, this course is your ultimate guide. We will cover everything from crafting scrolling content to harnessing the incredible potential of Facebook marketing. You will learn how to grow your audience, boost engagement, and drive conversions like never before. I am Amo Joseph, your guide to this transformative journey with years of experience in the digital marketing arena. So, are you ready to harness the power of the most influential social media platform in the world? Are you ready to take your brand, your skills, and your career to a new height? Then join me in this course as we embark on an epic quest to unlock the power of Facebook marketing. Hit that enroll button as we get started on your path to success. It is time to turn your Facebook presence into a marketing marvel. See you inside. Get ready for a transformation. Get ready to master Facebook marketing.